Jai Sriman My dear Rama, oh my dear son Rama, when you were here you used to sleep on such a wonderful bedding, and also you used to have wonderful pillows. Now in the forest, what kind of bedding you have? You will be sleeping on the earth and you will take some stone as your pillow. Oh Rama, how many troubles you will have to go through for all these 14 years. Oh Rama, my dear son Rama, when you were here, there used to be all the girls used to do all kind of services to you. Now who will be doing those seva to you in the forest? Oh Rama, here while people are singing beautiful songs and also saying that Kausalya Supraja Rama, with those kind of great singings and songs and great stotras, praisings you used to get up in the morning. Now, how are you going to sleep there in that forest? Where are you going to sleep there in that forest? Probably all your body is completely filled up with the dust. Probably you are sleeping somewhere on the banks of some kind of ponds. Probably you are sleeping on the ground and you are taking some stone as your pillow. Oh Rama, Purusha, Dirghabahum, my son Rama, the one who has long shoulders, the one who has beautiful eyes, my son Rama, now you are just left like an orphan in that forest, Rama. Like that Dasharatha Maharaju recalling everything and crying and now remembering Sita, oh Sita, you were raised very delicately by your father in your kingdom Janakat Midhila Nagaram. Your father likes you so much. Your feet did not even touch the ground, Sita. To that extent your father took care of you. Now I am having you walk in the forest, in the dense forest, on the ground with your so delicate feet. You are walking in the bushes and everything. Probably your delicate feet must be hurting a lot, Sita. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju remembering Sitamma and crying a lot. Dasharatha Maharaju, while coming back to Ayodhya after sending off Ramachandra Swami, he is remembering Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, everyone, and also saying that, oh my dear Sita, how much of trouble you must be going through in that dense forest. You must be getting so much scared out of all the screamings of the cruel animals. Like that he is remembering Sita and now again started shouting at Kaikeyi. Oh Kaikeyi, I do not think that I would be alive without my Rama. Definitely I am going to be gone. Now you are going to become widow. Being widow, you can enjoy this kingdom. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju crying a lot, coming back to the Ayodhya. While he is entering into Ayodhya, he is completely wetted with sweat. He is drowned in the sweat. With that kind of sweated body, Dasharatha Maharaju, while some people are following him, he is now entering into Ayodhya. He do not see anyone even in the main streets. He do not see any of the shops are open. All the shops are closed. All the temples are closed. Everybody is crying. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.